In this video, we're going to show you how to figure out a load calculation. So the first thing you want to do is come into the HVAC calculator, plug in the information for the customer, and then come into the comfort survey. Comfort survey is pretty straightforward. It's going to ask things like how long have you lived in the home, what is the age of the system or age of the home. So let's say it's from 99, current system is 15 years old. Air conditioning system is also 15 years old. Got some more information about why they're planning to make some changes. So let's say it is not working, okay, and uncomfortable sleeping. All right. So next is going to be asking about the actual reason why you're there. So let's say it's replace a full HVAC system. Why they contacted you. This is great if you've got referral programs so that you can figure out, makes the customer a little bit happier to know that you're going to make their friends whole for recommending you. Next question is going to be about insulation or upgrades in the home. So if they've added any extra details, let's say they've blown in some more attic insulation. Next is going to be about comfort, temperature preferences. So we're going to come in here. Let's say they like it at 73 and they like it at 76 in the summertime. Does current system achieve the desired comfort levels? All right, everyone says yes. And then you ask them, do you have any hot or cold spots? They say yes again. Let's say it's primary bedroom. Okay, this talks about utility bills. So if they're going from an older mid-efficient system to a newer one, we can talk about that. Humidity, plans for the home, health and allergies. Okay, it's going to bring up, did you know that humidifiers, UV lights, and advanced air filtration systems can help? Then you can ask what the severity is as well. This talks about budgets, so you can figure out if they're planning to pay all at once, what their budget is, what their method of payment is, all that stuff, and then just make sure to save. Next, we've got a floor plan tool. Okay, so this is going to be simple calculations. You can see here, automatically figures out what the square footage is, what the wall perimeter is. If we're going to the basement, hit that. If we've got a second floor on the home, you can do the same thing. Let's say that second floor has an extra space over top of the garage. You can come in here, automatically snaps into place. If you need to drag a wall, just simply drag it. Makes it super easy and convenient. Save down at the bottom. Next is going to be your windows. So you can walk around the house or you can manually do it on a piece of paper and do the addition. I do prefer this way because it's going to do things automatically for you. So for this example, let's say the window is on the east side and it's 7 feet by 6 feet. Automatically going to calculate out the square footage, and then you just select, is it a single pane, a double pane, or a triple pane? Okay, next we've got the foundation type. So if you've got a full basement home, if you've got slab on grade, a walkout basement, it's going to do the automatic calculations again for you. So this example we're doing, main floor is 815 square feet. Second floor is a little bit bigger. Okay. Basement is always going to match the main floor, and the attic is always going to go to the top. Okay. Next, we've got our occupants. The age of the home, if you've got a main floor, let's say is 9-foot ceilings, plug that information there. Automatically calculates the space over top of the garage and makes the adjustments. If you've got a home with a dual HVAC system, you can also select from that drop down there. Again, wall perimeter is automatically going to be selected here. We've got your wall basement insulation. So let's say it's finished. With insulation, double check your wall insulation and your attic insulation. And then this is where we can either manually do it, or as you can see, based on the first page, it's automatically going to add in the total square footage for the double panes in this location. So for this example, let's just use a couple different numbers here. Okay. Doors, we've got 2 doors as standard. Okay, if you want to add a third or fourth, just hit this add door button. And then let's say on the main floor, we've got 9-foot ceilings, so we've got a 9-foot door there. Come down here, hit next. Vents, you can add in the vents system. Okay, great talking point. Thermostat details there, you can plug that in, and then age of the hot water tank if you'd like. Let's say that's 19 years old. So as you can see, the information from the comfort saver has transferred over. Gives you the project summary. So this is a great page where you can sort of review. There is a note section on every page that does transfer into this section as well. So again, you can review some of the things that you've talked about with the homeowner. Okay, hit the calculate button and it pulls up the numbers. So based on the heating and cooling loads, the calculations, we can see all the details, and it gives you the breakdowns here. Recommended size based on the capacity used. We've got a report here. So remember, customer had some health concerns. That gets pulled up here. Hot water tank is 19 years old. So expected lifespan is going to be 10 to 15 years. So you can have a conversation about that and help increase revenue. More of a breakdown here. You can read through all of that. Some more detailed stuff. So if you're wanting to get a little more granular, you can plug that information there. And then you can also save the project. So if you have any questions, guys, please reach out. You can find the support email address in the settings tab. Thanks. Have a great day.